Hello everyone, welcome to this video class presentation. My name is Javier Eduardo Maldiderazo, my associate professor is Messenger Mary Peña, and this is for professional practice too. There is and there are. Let's start. Today's topic is there is or there are with the articles a and, some and any. Let's talk about there is in the singular form. For affirmative we use there is, and in contraction form we use theirs. For negative form we use there is not, and for contraction we use there isn't. Interrogative form we use is there, and to answer to a question with there is we use yes there is or no there isn't. There are in the plural form. We use there are for affirmative. In negative form we use there are not, and contraction we use there aren't. As an interrogative form we use are there, and to answer we use yes there are or no there aren't. Let's talk about the countable nouns in the singular form. We use there is for countable nouns that are singular. We use there is a or there is an. For negative form, we use there is an a or there is an. For interrogative form, we use is there a, and for answers, we use yes there is or no there isn't. Now let's talk about those countable nouns that are in the plural way. For those countable nouns that are in plural form, we use there are some, there aren't any. Interrogative form we use are there any, and for answers we use yes there are or no there aren't. We have our first exercise about countable singular nouns. My bedroom. I want you to observe the picture, guys, and I want you to see clearly, very clearly, what objects do you find in the bedroom and what objects you don't find in the bedroom. Let's see. There is a toilet. There isn't a shower, as you can see the picture. Is there a mirror? So do you think that there is a mirror in the bathroom? Is there a mirror? Of course, yes, there is a mirror right here. Countable plural nouns. There are some animals in this picture. There aren't any chairs. Are there any shelves in the picture? What do you think? Of course, yes, there are shelves. Let's talk about some important rules about uncountable nouns. Something that we have to be careful, guys, is that never use the plural form for uncountable nouns. And what does this mean? As you can see in the picture, we have a milk carton here. As we know, we cannot count milk because it is a liquid, so milk is an uncountable noun. Some examples that we can use with milk: there is some milk, there isn't any milk, is there any milk in the fridge? Affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Now, these are some ways that you don't have to use when you are counting uncountable nouns. There are some milk is totally incorrect. There aren't some milk, incorrect. Are there any milk in the fridge is incorrect. So guys, as a lesson, don't use there are for uncountable plural nouns. Let's continue. Uncountable nouns in my kitchen. Guys, I want you to observe the picture very close and very clear. I want you to tell me and fill in the blank the following sentences. Be careful and look at all the details in the picture. You can pause this video in order to answer each sentence carefully. So the answers are going to appear in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see the first sentence. What did you write? Oh, there is some water on the floor. Very good. Number 2. There is a fly in the kitchen. Absolutely. Is there any milk in the kitchen? Nope, there isn't any milk. Let's continue. As the next activity, I have this question for you. How many rooms are there in the house? Okay, as you can see, we have a house with many parts inside of it. So first of all, how many rooms do we have? Exactly. There are 4 rooms. Now, what are the names of these rooms? Do you know them? Pause this video. The answer is going to appear in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. There is a bedroom. There is a bathroom. There is a living room. And there is a kitchen. If you wrote and selected these answers, you were totally correct. Our next exercise is about these horses. I want you to see very close to the picture and very carefully and tell me how many horses do you see in this picture. Pause the video and the answer is going to appear in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you counted 16 horses, you were totally correct. Excellent, guys. Guys, it's time to play, and in our next activity class, we are going to play a video game related to Angry Birds. So don't miss to our next class, and have a good time. Bye-bye.